Hello friends, in this video we will see how to draw a simple line chart using Matplot library. So let's start. If you want to design a simple line chart, so you have to use Matplotlib library, and PyPlot is the module of Matplot library. The Matplot library PyPlot interface allows to plot data in multiple ways such as line chart, bar chart, pie chart, scatter chart, etc. And the PyPlot is a collection of methods within Matplot library which allows to construct 2D plots easily. The Matplotlib is a high quality library of Python. It provides very quick way to visualize data from Python in many formats. So let's take two variables. First is x, which contains some values as a list, and the second variable is y. Here are the values 5, 8, 10, and for variable x the values are 12, 16 or 6. If you want to design a simple line chart, so you have to use plot function and pass your parameters, that is x or y. So it will draw a line chart. A line chart or line graph is a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called markers connected by straight line segments. If you want to design a line chart, so you can use this plot function of PyPlot module, and using plt.show you can display your diagram. So here you can see the value of x is 5 and the value of y is 12. So here is the data point, it is called marker, and the next value of x is 8 and the value of y is 16. So here is another data point, and the next value is 10 in variable x and the value of y is 6. So here is a data point. So a line chart or line graph is a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called markers connected by straight line segments using plot function. You can also define the title of your plot using title function, plt.title. So you can define your title, simple line chart. So you can see here the title of your diagram. plt.xlabel function is used to define x-axis, and plt.ylabel define y-axis. Here is your title and the x label and y label. You can also apply some formatting on title. For example, you can apply some font, that is Times New Roman. You can also apply font size, some color, R for red, and font style, that is italic. Now let's see the changes in title. So here you can see the font name is Times New Roman and the size is 20, color is red, and font style is in italic. You can also change the size of your figure or your diagram using plt.figure function, which takes some parameters. First is fig size equals to, specify some height and width here, face color, that is color. So face color is cyan color, and the edges color will be displayed in red color, and line width equals to 10. Now let's see the changes in our diagram. So here you can see the figure size and the face color is cyan, edge color is red, and the line width is 10. You can also set line style, line width and line color with X or Y parameters. R, so it will draw a line with red color. You can change line width equals to 5. You can also change line style equals to dotted. So your line chart is displayed with red color line, and the width of your line is 5 and the line style is dotted. So you can change the width according to your requirement. Like this. Now let's change some marker type, size and its color. When we use marker equals to D, so it will display our marker with the diamond symbol. So you can see here the data points or markers are in diamond symbol now. You can change marker size. So it will increase the size of your marker. And for marker edge color, so it will apply marker edge with red color. The spelling is wrong, color. So you can see the edges are in with red color. If you want to save this diagram or this figure, so you can use plt dot save fig and give the name of your image, that is picture 1 with extension .jpg. So it will save this diagram on your desktop with the name picture 1. So here is your diagram. Now this image has been saved on your computer desktop. Here is your image picture 1. with extension .jpg. So in the same manner you can design simple line chart, and in the next video we will see how to draw bar chart. Thank you for watching this video.